lagging there. But alright. In front of us is a package. It is from Illumishield. So, because of that, I have these guys to the side. So I might do business with them. I don't know. Maybe I'll install on video. Maybe I won't. We'll see. If I just act too awkward, then obviously I'm not going to attempt to do it. Because I think the last time when I attempted to install the screen on video, I don't know if it went very well. Let's just say it wasn't exactly the most professional installation. Well, did I just expose some private information there? I don't know if I did. If I did, I can just easily edit that out. It's not a big deal. And alright, so here we have all of the shields. Tell you the names of the phones on it? No, I don't think it shows the names. So you have to go to the back. Well, actually, it has to tell you the names. So if it doesn't, then how are you supposed to put it on? Well, actually, I don't know. I mean, I'm not looking in the right place because I don't think I actually... Oh, never mind. Here it is, just back here. Silly me. Wait, no, it isn't. Okay, that's not good. Okay, we're back in action. I just had a very, very eerie suspicion. I almost thought that the guy sent the wrong cases because they all looked exactly the same. They all had an iPhone on the back, so I'm thinking, oh dear goodness, this guy probably just assumed those for one device. But then when I actually open it up, it looks like they are for the 3 separate devices. It's just that the exact same size. And as you can see here, I tried looking at the fronts and at the backs, and there's no indicator of which device they're for. So how they tell them apart is beyond me. Maybe there's some code or something I might have missed, but it's just good to know that that's not actually the case with them being only for one device. If it were, I'd have to like just send them back. Well, I'd have to send 2 of them back, which would have been very annoying, but thankfully I don't actually have to do that. So this one was for the passport, this one was for the iPhone, and this one is for the Lumia because I ordered matte for the Lumia. I'm gonna open and confirm it though. And if it's not, then I don't know. Like I said, I could either just keep it for the iPhone, just extra spare, but actually, no, I don't think I'll do that. I didn't order mats for the iPhone. It's gonna go right back. And yes, this is for the Lumia. You can tell because of the cut out the top and the extra long plastic. So good to know that it's actually for my 3 different devices and not all for the iPhone. So the iPhone on the back just threw me off. I guess we're just using it because it's the most popular phone there is. So they wanted to just use it as a general phone. But still, I think honestly for BlackBerry devices, they should at least just stamp the BlackBerry logo at the back to give you an idea. And then like for Windows Phone, a square, you get the idea. I did say that I might install them. I'm not sure if I'll actually do that or not. Actually, you know, I might as well. I'm gonna attempt it. Just don't use this video as your best guide because it might not go so well. So let's just pop this out now. These guys off to the side. And let's go. Do I only get 1? I thought I got like 3. That's not cool. So I'm gonna have to write on the back of these which device they belong to because they don't have it on the package. Tried looking, I didn't see it anywhere. How do they tell the differences? I don't know. The only way I can think of is maybe in the warehouse they just have shelves, the names on it, and that's probably how they do it because there's, oh, all 3 of them are in here. What do you know? Okay. So we'll put that one there. And we'll use the microfiber cloth. Actually, no, we have to line it up first. Start. Peel off this layer before application. Okay, just gonna line it up in advance. It will look like that. Gonna open my microfiber cloth. iPhone, don't die. If the phone says something like, oh, too hot to continue, then I'll just probably switch over to the iPhone. No big deal. Actually, no, I can't do that because then if I'm going to plan to install the screen on it, that won't work. Unless I'm going to use a BlackBerry Passport. Actually, then no, it doesn't have 4K on it, so I'd rather not do that. Okay, so let's begin. Start. Peel off this table for application, so we're going to do that. Peel it off. The part where we have to line it up. Finish. Peel this layer after application. This side protects the screen protector. Okay, actually, let me make sure it's debris free. Wipe it off. Okay. We line it up. Okay, hold on. Let me stand up for a second here. Does that look good? Now it's out of the frame. Okay. I go into an application so I can stop doing that. That's really annoying. Let's go Flippy Bird. Turn the volume. Anyways. And beautiful. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Now where's that card I need to get those bubbles out? Actually, they could have done a better job laying out the camera. I don't know if you can see it here. Focus. Yeah, that doesn't look too... I guess it's not that bad, but I could have done a better job, and some of the screen is still showing there. Whatever. It's better than nothing. Okay, so we can get that guy at equation. And, okay, there's quite a bit of a mess here. I should probably actually pause this video to get some of this off the desk, and then I'll resume when I want to install it on the iPhone. Okay, so now I'm finished removing the bubbles out of the passport. Let's move on to the iPhone. I think that's cleared up a bit. Actually, the first thing I need to remove this retail package that's been on it since May 2018. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to carry on the speaker. What am I doing? I'm here just fiddling around. Okay, so let's begin. Let's take the microfiber cloth. This card. Oh, I had to be careful there. I nearly knocked it off with my hat. Make that off. I also have to be careful not to do weird things with the screen, like pull that up. Come on. Perhaps I should actually no, yeah, let me power it off because it's going to do weird things. In fact, it's actually better to power it off. That way I can see how clean the screen is when it's pitch black, but when you have all these vibrant colors, you're not going to see anything. So it's actually very foolish of me to leave it on. Not a smart move at all. Okay, I think it looks good. Let me stand up. Ooh, wow, that's quite some glare there. Perhaps I should turn it off. Then when I turn it off, it makes the video so dark. So we'll just turn it back on. I know the glare is pretty obnoxious, but you just have to deal with it. Or not. Actually, I could set up another light somewhere, but I don't know if I feel like doing that. Actually, yeah, let's see if it makes a difference. Alright, whatever, let's just install the screen. So first we gotta peel this off. It's not exactly cooperating with me though, so I don't know what to do. Oh no. Okay, oh, there we go, there we go. Alright. Let's clean this up one more time. I'm seeing some spots. Yes, I know, some of you might say, okay, that's kind of overkill, but you know, I really don't want to see spots under my screen. Now we have to align it. Oh boy. This is a bit of an art. No, that's way off. Oh dear. Can I make it? I don't know. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Would you agree or would you disagree? Yeah, I think you can agree with me. It's pretty good. We have the home button lined up. The speaker, let me turn the light on here. See if I can get to focus over it. Yes. Okay, the front camera. Don't know. So let's just move this now. Whoa. It's like I'm moving both of them. Now what I want to do. And then for the final part, all we have to do is just take the card and just keep applying some pressure to get those bubbles out. Okay, that sound doesn't sound very good, but you get the idea. So this guy done, got this guy done. I could get the Lumia done too, but because I'm filming with it, I don't know if I want to just switch to another phone and just mess with the format, because as you know, iPhones do MOVs, everybody else does MP4, so I think I'd rather just keep the video in an entire MP4 and I'll just do the Lumia off camera. I'll drop links to his blog. I got them directly off of Illumishield. I think you can also get it through other third-party sites like maybe eBay or Amazon, but I think it's better to just go to them directly in this case. Okay, I'm out. Happy 2019 New Year! Did you like this video? Do you have a clear Illumishield screen protector installed on your phone? Comment, rate, like, subscribe, share, read my blog for information, shop for my affiliate links in the video description, and visit my Twitter page for my latest tweets. And do not forget to also participate in the polls located in the top right corner inside the eye circle. The quality of this outro song is embarrassingly bad, so I'm so out of here. Gosh darn it, I really wish they had these as labeled. Okay, this is the iPhone, so let's write iPhone. Whoops, I wrote it with a capital I. Whatever. iPhone 6S Plus. And U are for the Lumia, so Nokia Lumia 1520. And then U are for the BlackBerry Passport, so BlackBerry Passport. Should I specify original, AT&T, Silver Edition? Actually, nah, I don't need any of those. Well, actually, no, I should write original just in case I do acquire one of those later on. So BlackBerry Passport original. Okay, there we go. Now it's all organized, so I don't get them mixed up. Word to Illumishield, please just write the names of the devices on the package. It makes it a lot less confusing for people that have multiple devices, and it would just make it better and easier for, I'm sure, the employees in the warehouse, just easier for the consumers, easier for everybody. It would be a win-win. So do that.